So I've just spun it up again, and I'm just trying to feel these transistors to see. The top ones are actually getting warm now. Yeah. So I think, oh, the bottom ones are getting. I think part of the problem is going to be the power supplies. Yeah. Yeah. We're on. That's the loop count 1000 for period and 100 for amplitude. The mark. So it's 10%. Yep. And we're back on here. Yeah. They're getting a bit warm, but not too bad actually. Yeah. Oh, them two are getting a bit warm. Yeah. So it gives us an idea. I mean, it's I think it's 12 steps, so probably edge to edge. We're on 2 milliseconds, so that's going to be about like 25 milliseconds in total, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's running. I might see if I can take it down further.